Ascent is developing a common operational picture to provide real-time information on the location, health, and environment of first responders and warfighters. Currently, incident commanders primarily depend on tools like whiteboards and handheld radios for insight. With our technology, the firefighter is equipped with a module on their SCBA strap and a wrist wearable. Together, these sensors utilize visual inertial odometry to scan, map the environment, and transmit their exact location, even in GNSS-denied operations. We also provide insight on the firefighter's movement, video, air levels, health, and toxicity in order to give full insight on the team. This allows the command staff to take control and be informed earlier of Mayday situations. Guided by the feedback of over 2,000 civilian fire departments, our team has been diligent in discovering the operational pain points in the service. These pain points are also experienced by defense firefighters, and we have secured millions of dollars in active contracts with the United States Department of Defense to continue our development and deploy our technology with the 96th Civil Engineer Squad down at Eglin Air Force Base and are actively exploring Navy opportunities for shipboard and subboard firefighting. Our team is constantly running tests and training burn towers and acquired structured burns with departments of all sizes, including Jacksonville, Milwaukee, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, and multiple suburbs of Chicago and Detroit. We will launch 67 units at the end of this year and into early 2024, spread across the state of Illinois and into the Milwaukee region. There will be representation from small volunteer departments, career suburban departments, and a larger metropolitan department with Milwaukee. This will provide us with a test bed reaching across the diverse fire service. Be sure our solution works for every fire department, regardless of size, budget, or location. We also have millions of dollars in pre-order commitments from multiple departments that are continuously aiding the mission. Additionally, we've partnered with training and research institutions of all sizes, including the Illinois Fire Service Institute, Northeastern Illinois Public Service Training Academy, and Texas Engineering Extension Service to transition our defense-oriented technology to a viable civilian application. One of the first areas that will benefit from our solution is first responder training. We aim to revolutionize training by allowing playback and noting anomalous events during training evolutions. Through launch, Jacksonville Fire and Rescue is helping us build a platform outside of training and is progressively leading in the fire industry. They have contributed significantly towards building a holistic solution, utilizing our technology in a training environment by bringing new insights to the firefight. Now for an overview of the platform. The moment dispatch receives an address, we look up satellite imagery, public real estate listing, and department pre-plans to populate any known information on the structure. When the first on-scene responder arrives, we utilize a gear-mounted module to collect a scan of the building during a 360 perimeter scan. We compare against the known information and begin generating a prediction of the floor plan. This scan identifies constraints such as doors, walls, windows, and other outside metrics to determine details like floor numbers, attics, and basements. These symmetries are critical to determining the layout of the structure. While satellite location, such as GPS, can be used outside of the structure, it's unreliable while inside due to signal occlusion. Thus, once firefighters enter the structure, we utilize multiple sensors to monitor movement, all while building a point cloud of the inside walls, doors, furniture, and other objects. When compared against the known outside walls, we more accurately determine the individual's respective X, Y, Z coordinates. This point cloud is then converted to a simple two-dimensional layout sent back to command to confirm the initial prediction of the floor plan. Once the precise location of the firefighter is identified, we can then use onboard environmental sensors to put out heat maps, monitor toxicity, and even predict the flow of the fire. Wearables on the firefighter also give command insights into their unit's overall wellness. We monitor metrics into their physical and decision-making framework. This is displayed as a readiness score of each individual first responder. This fuel gauge allows for a more complete picture of the overall effectiveness of firefighters, and it's best utilized before, during, and after the incident. Paul and I started this venture 2.5 years ago and have grown to 15 full-time team members. Additionally, we have an incredible roster of fire chiefs that have pre-ordered our platform and helped guide the development for improved tracking of the position, wellness, and battle space of first responders. Key to our success is our partnerships. We've established development, defense, and venture partners. Additionally, the challenge of monitoring and tracking first responders in real time in GNSS denied environments is too complex for a single technology or company to solve. We recognize the need to team with fellow startups as well as established players in the industry. Our team has partnered with Smart Firefighting to bring together integration and collaboration. The Smart Firefighting team consists of innovative startups working on throwable robotics, biometric monitoring, heads-up displays, firefighter alerting, virtual reality, pre-planning tools, and other advanced technologies to help augment insights and increase safety on the fire ground. Together, we can solve this problem in the most efficacious way. Additionally, our work has been featured in publications like Forbes, Chicago Inno, Fire Apparatus, and Fire Engineering.
Actually ordering product and excited to get that fully integrated into our operations and use them in the year ahead.
There's no doubt that Ascent integrated technologies will change the way that we fight fires from the inside of a building for years to come.
We're still developing and would love to connect with progressive leaders in the fire department. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website at ascentitech.com. This is a difficult problem to solve, and it can only be done by working collaboratively to get first responders into the burn, get them to accomplish their task efficiently, and go home safe to their families. Thank you.